Hello, and welcome to Groyo Learning. Imagine transforming your life with just a small change each day. That's the essence of Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement. It's not about drastic changes, but consistent, incremental progress. Kaizen applies to everyone, whether you're on a factory floor or at an office desk. It's about finding smarter ways to work, not harder. Visualize a workspace evolving with each tiny improvement. In the apparel industry, even small daily improvements can lead to major reductions in production waste and significant gains in operational efficiency. Kaizen encourages a culture where every worker, from the sewing floor to quality control, actively contributes to progress. Kaizen is a mindset, not a one-off project. It's about asking, what can I do better today? This ongoing journey of improvement keeps us striving for excellence, one step at a time. Visualize the continuous journey of improvement. Each day presents a new opportunity to enhance processes and outcomes. Kaizen is about embracing change and growth, making every day a chance to excel. Recap the key benefits of adopting the Kaizen mindset: reduced waste, increased efficiency, and a culture of innovation. Remember, it's the small, continuous improvements that lead to significant results. Start your Kaizen journey today. Embrace the power of small changes and commit to continuous improvement. Take the first step now and watch as each day brings you closer to your goals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also visit our website for professional updates.